Don't be doing.
Morning.
Yeah?
Hello, officer.
You alright?
Are you working in accordance with the oath you took?
I'm sorry, say again?
Are you working in accordance with the oath you
It's
took?
nothing to do with why I'm stopping you at the moment. There's a large number of reports on this vehicle, on the registration. So I'm just stopping to have a chat with you.
Well, I'm asking you first.
Okay.
Are you
Don't
working?
ask me any questions at all, mate.
No?
Okay? No, it's not the way it works.
Yeah, it does.
You alright?
I'm asking you.
For a second.
I'm asking you.
You're displaying an out-of-date vehicle exercise licence.
Whatever you do, don't get out of the car anyway.
Okay?
Yeah. Can I just ask you something? Are you working in accordance with the oath you took as a police officer?
That's not a negotiation at the moment. Step out of the car. Please.
I'm not stepping out of the car. I'm not stepping out of the car.
Could you just pass that exercise licence for me then?
The what?
The exercise licence is out of date.
Listen, I'm not obliged to do anything.
You are obliged to pass me that.
No, I'm not passing anything, officer.
Okay, please.
Can I have another unit join 29 please at top level?
Turn it off.
Yep, that's lovely, thank you.
Do you want to step out of the car then, mate, yeah?
Officer, I'm not stepping out of the car.
Well, why not? This is your home address. This is what the car's registered to, isn't it?
So?
No?
So?
Sure, step out the vehicle, please.
I'm not stepping out the vehicle. I don't have to. Have I broken any laws?
You have your vehicle.
What law? Okay, what law? Okay, what law have I broken?
163 of the Road Traffic Act, mate. I'm asking you to step out of the
Is that a law?
I can check your documents, please.
Is that a law?
Yes, it is, mate. Yes.
What law is that then?
Look it up, mate.
Okay.
Section 163.
An act. Is that okay? Is that a legislation?
Step out of the car.
I'm not getting out of the car. I've done nothing wrong.
Getting yourself arrested for obstructing.
Okay, obstructing. What am I obstructing you from doing?
I'm asking you to get out of the vehicle so I can check your documents with this vehicle.
Hold on. I don't consent to any services that you are offering me.
Searching it. No one's we're not
I said I don't consent to any services that you are offering.
Okay.
Yeah? Is your job to uphold the law of the land? I'm claiming common law jurisdiction at all times.
I'm sorry, say again.
I'm claiming common law jurisdiction at all times, and I'm asking you, as a police constables, that's what it says on your top, Constable Kenny and Constable Green. I'm asking you, are you working in accordance, with the oath or affirmation that you took as a police officer?
I'm using powers I have available to me to stop you and ask you to get out of the vehicle so I can check your driving documents. I've explained to you numerous times already that is under section 163 of the Road Traffic Act, which if you want to get technical and have a look at the law, you'll see what powers that gives me.
Okay. Can I ask you something, Constable Kenny?
Step out of the vehicle.
Constable Kenny, can I ask you something? Do you know what a legislation is?
Yeah, well, I'd like to think so. I had to study quite a bit of it.
Okay, so what's a legislation?
I've just explained to you the legislation I've got you stopped.
No, you've told me what legislation you've got me stopped under. You haven't actually explained what a legislation is.
Well, I've already explained to you that I need you out of the vehicle so I can check your documents. Okay, section 163.
What
me that power to stop the vehicle.
What do you need? What do you need to check my documents for?
Sorry?
What do you need to check my documents
so
for?
I can be happy that you own the vehicle, you are driving it.
The registered keeper is right there in that house there. The registered keeper is right there. No wait. The registered keeper is right there in that house.
Driver at the moment.
Yeah.
For all I know, you could have loads of drugs in that vehicle. You could have firearms in there. This vehicle
you know what?
on numerous occasions.
Yeah. Okay. Hold on. Wait there. Yes, but wait there. But at any time. Hold on, officer. But at any time, has any of the occupants of this car committed any crimes?
Oh, I don't know that yet.
No, you should know. No, wait. You should know. If you know about any reports, has any reports of anyone committed any crimes been involved in this car?
This registration.
Yeah, number of reports for what?
I'm not going to tell you that. I don't know who you are.
You don't know who I am.
It could be stolen for all I know.
You don't know who I am.
No,
this could be stolen. The registered keeper's there. Hello.
It's fine. I'm speaking to you at the moment.
Hello. The registered keeper's there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So go and ask the registered keeper.
Speak to the driver,
I don't want to talk to you. I don't consent to anything. Yeah. I don't consent to it. I've not done anything wrong, sir.
Right.
Yeah.
It's not.
I've not done it.
Negotiation.
Listen, I've not done anything wrong.
So I can check.
I've not done anything wrong.
With you.
I've not done anything wrong. If you want to know if I've got permission, ask the registered keeper.
Right. I want to check the driver's details.
What details do you want to check?
What for? Driver's license. I want to check that you're insured with the vehicle.
What for?
I want to know why there's an out-of-date excise license on the vehicle.
What for? Is it what day is it? Is it Bank Holiday Monday today? Or is it Bank Holiday Monday?
I guess it is. Yeah.
Okay. And hold on. When did that run out?
It's run out.
No, I'm asking you. You see, when you pay for something by post,
You can do it online.
huh?
You can do it online.
You can do it online if you got credit card details and everything.
Wellham Road. This stop had
Extra.
already finished a long time ago. If you just go out of the vehicle and let us check your details.
No, I'm not letting you check
There's more
anything.
Reasons to suspect.
Listen, I've not done anything wrong.
Reasons now to suspect.
You can suspect
that you're
what you
hiding
like.
Something in the vehicle.
Well, okay,
or on
whatever.
yourself.
Whatever. Exactly, it's just harassment. You've got nothing better to do.
Receive, thank you.
Have you got nothing better to do?
There's people like you, sir, that are perhaps stopping me from doing better things.
Yeah?
Section 163 of the Road Traffic Act allows me to stop a
Traffic
vehicle on a road at any time.
Are you working? Are you working?
Road, and therefore I'm asking you to step out of the vehicle to provide me with your details.
And you know what? I'm saying no. I'm saying no. End of. That's it.
Pricks, and I swear down. We just put together and just start knocking it up though.
Love, can you shut the fuck up?
Oh.
Christina O'Sullivan.
Yeah, it's the guy from
Yeah,
if they're there.
just stopped my car outside my house again.
Who's that there? Carly?
Yeah, just seeking a bit of advice because this is now. I know it's gone straight on
It's
the.
alright.
It's a live link and everything, but I just want to.
Okay.
Do you know what dog is back?
Well, he's just pulled up outside my house and I've stopped him again. No.
Excuse me. Can you just help me and clarify something, please?
Yeah.
Can you clarify something, please?
Carly, get the dogs in the house.
Officer or constable, can you just answer me one question?
Ask, I may answer.
Okay, thank you. Could you tell me what the difference between legal and lawful is?
Oh my God, here we go.
I'm not going into that at all, mate, okay? I've given you a lawful order to step out of the vehicle so I can check your driving documents. That's under section 163 of the Road Traffic Act, okay? If you choose not to get out of the vehicle, okay, then that's entirely up to you, okay? But it comes with...
Oh, look, he knows who I am.
I suspect you may have...
No, he knows who I am.
...in the vehicle or on your person.
No, you know who I am, officer.
What crime has been committed here?
There doesn't need to be a crime, madam. As I've already explained, section 163 of the Road Traffic Act allows us to stop...
Hold on,
Doesn't
officer. Constable Kenny. Constable Reynolds. You know who I am, don't you?
What law has been
No, hold on, wait. Constable Reynolds. You know who I am.
Oh my God, you know what? You lot really have nothing better to do.
Wouldn't be...
You really do. No,
Well, we do.
Well, why don't you get on and do it then?
Because your son's stopping us from doing it.
Yeah, because you're harassing him every... It is harassing.
It's called the law, madam.
It's called the law.
And it's called breaking the law by
You know
having that
what?
on the road.
Go on,
Is that
go on the web, yeah, and
on
see
the
how
web.
many recordings there are of
there were
him stopping.
loads, I'm
There
sure
are
there were
loads.
I'm
with
sure we have our own
ridiculous
YouTube
reasons.
channel. I'm sure you have your own YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Are we going to get out of the car?
Hey, Gov, I'm not getting out of the car. I've done nothing wrong, Gov, yeah?
Sean?
No. I'm talking to
well.
Constable Reynolds because he's half decent. But hold on, Constable Reynolds. Alright, sorry. I haven't committed any crimes. I've done nothing wrong. I'm not getting out of the car.
Because of what's going on, the text this is out of day, isn't it?
Yeah, alright, the text this is.
We get out of the car, we can speak to you, can't we?
Well, I don't need to get out of the car to talk. We can talk here. Look, you're not in any danger. You're on the pavement. Say that again.
They really have nothing else to do. They really have nothing better to do.
Exactly. And how long? Yeah. Can I ask Constable Reynolds? Can I ask you, when your tax runs out, how long does it?
Sorry, blind on the eyes, go on.
How long is it that we've got until we
2 weeks.
Is it 2 weeks? So it's out of date. 3 days. 3 days.
2 weeks for your tax.
Oh, behave.
The tax disc has just been discovered while I've been speaking to you.
Alright, cool.
To check your
Because you're
driving
looking
Well, I'm not giving you.
excuse possible.
Madam, when there's a number of reports on this vehicle with tinted windows,
Yeah,
and we're getting a presented stop like this, what am I supposed to suspect, madam? Yeah?
What do you suspect?
Well, I'll ask Constable Reynolds because he knows. He
Come on, it's on your
Yeah.
Give me your date of birth through the window. I
Yeah.
can check. We'll do it that way. Is that all right?
There's my mum there. Ask my mum.
What's your date of birth?
Ask him.
No, mum. I'm saying ask you because I'm not giving any details. Just
19th of the 8th.
19th of the 8th. What year?
Huh?
What year? Yeah, he was born 19th.
hold on. What?
83.
83. I can do the checks through that way. We'll just do it that way. Okay.
Hold on.
9th of the 8th, 84.
His date of birth. I thought you were talking about something entirely different. Okay?
Right. He won't give his
Can you?
details. All you want from me is his date of birth. I'll give his date of birth.
What do you mean? Just keep the dogs in the house, innit?
Ask the solicitor. What's his solicitor saying?
Okay, if you want.
Well, this is like 1:30 in the morning. There's somebody going around shouting at like I think there's been about 4 or 5 rapes committed.
Exactly.
Be looking
Sean,
for him.
what we're going to do, I'm just going to do a couple of checks on the computer, and then I'll come back.
Inspector Carter.
I don't know who Inspector Carter
Oh,
is.
from Wimbledon.
Okay.
Right. I know you're Wandsworth police, aren't you?
Wandsworth, yeah.
Yeah. Inspector Carter from Wimbledon. Yeah. I went and complained because I had a sergeant from Wimbledon, Sergeant.
I don't know anyone from
Murphy.
there, mate. I don't really know
Sergeant
anyone.
Murphy. He actually lied about a stop and search. He detained me for a drug search before. He lied.
Yeah.
I don't smoke anything.
We're not detaining you. I don't believe you did, mate.
No,
I don't smell anything.
Exactly. But this is what the last sergeant said. Oh, it's not a candy.
Actually, smells very clean in here.
Thank you. I'm at 4 and on the record.
I'm just going to do a quick check on that. 19th of the 3rd, 83.
My mum.
19th of the 8th.
With me? Yeah. What do you mean?
I haven't seen you around. Oh, you're coming back again?
I don't know you.
I don't know him.
From where?
You're not mine.
Excuse me, hang on. Sorry, I wasn't speaking to you.
Okay, well, when it's my
I was not speaking to
referring
you.
to me, I take offence to it and insult.
Well, I'm taking
okay?
offence to this.
How can they keep stopping?
I don't see why this gentleman here needs to be treated any differently to any other member.
Oh, well, thank you, but at least you know that we're not common criminals.
You keep filming me.
Like anybody different, but
You're treating me. You know what, officer?
You do.
You're treating me like a common criminal.
Not at all, mate.
You are.
This is the way I deal with people when they refuse to get out of a vehicle.
Why?
You know what you've got in there?
Wait, what? Oh, come on, behave yourself. You know what? I got stopped the other night. I got stopped the other night by gun police. Yeah, right. I had my 3-month-old son in the car. My 4.5. No, wait. Let me finish. My 4.5-year-old son in the car, and the kid's mother in the back. Yeah, I didn't give no details. I got arrested, got taken to the station, and I still didn't give no details.
Okay.
So if you really want me to waste your time and your taxes that you're paying, then cool. It's not a problem.
I've dealt with you before, okay? That's why I don't understand. Clearly, there's a number of reports in this vehicle, and you must drive it quite frequently, and maybe you've refused on other occasions.
I refuse every time. I refuse every time because I'm not obliged to answer anything.
Stand here and not suspect other things going on
you know
in the
what?
vehicle because you refuse to get out.
Well,
Use some common sense.
Okay, then we'll do some police work, yeah, and start investigate. If you want to investigate me, I'll do whatever. But don't just keep stopping me for rubbish reasons when nobody's broken any laws.
No, well, I don't know that until I've spoken to you, do I, sir?
Well, has anyone made a claim of any crime?
Because I wanted to check his documents.
Hold on.
Road Traffic Act.
Okay, but hold
There's a
on.
large number of reports on the vehicle, and I wanted to see who the driver was.
What reports on the
I'm
vehicle?
not going to disclose that at this time.
You can't disclose it. You can't make the claim. Can you? Excuse me. Can you produce a witness to any reports
On the vehicle?
on the vehicle? Can you produce any witnesses for any reports on the vehicle?
There are large, if you need to inquire about it and it's
I
your
own the
vehicle, madam,
vehicle.
then you need to go down to the police station and ask for them to
and I
did.
to take it off the computer, and the inspector.
Inspector Carter from Wimbledon said he took it off.
It's not down to me to get them taken off, it's down to the Bureau, PNT Bureau, okay?
Well,
They're
you
the
need to
people
get
that
on
deal
to
with-
them then.
No, I don't, madam, that's up to you. It's your car, you need to speak to them, I'm afraid, okay?
They know who's driving the car every time. It's like you say.
Exactly. You knew who I was already, didn't you?
Is it
Mate,
because
you got that light in my face since the minute you've stopped. I can't even see what you look like other than the beard,
sorry.
okay?
Sorry.
Is it?
You can see.
That's great. Well, barely. I've had it in my face
Hold
for
on.
15 minutes. Thank you very much.
Is that it?
Your time, yeah.
Oh, is that it? So I didn't have to get out the car then?
Well, you did, but we're not going to go down that road because
No.
I can't be bothered.
No, because lawfully I
No,
didn't.
lawfully you do, but...
No, legally.
right.
It's a legal requirement. It's not a lawful requirement, no?
A lawful requirement.
All right, but
Thing, mate.
now I'm going to ask you a question you can help me with.
Okay, go on then.
Please, can you just tell me the difference between lawful and legal?
Well, one's a legal requirement.
No, but can you tell me the difference between lawful and legal?
If I ask you like a lawful order,
No, what's the difference between legal and lawful?
different ones.
Motor vehicle interference.
So in motor vehicle interference, mate, seriously, be quiet. I'm talking to you, brother. Okay. A lawful order for me to say you need to go over there.
Yeah.
It's the law. It means the law states gives me the power. If it's a legal requirement, it means you have to do it because the law states you have to do it.
Okay.
Okay, that's different.
The state. Okay. And do you know what is a sovereign?
A sovereign.
If someone is claiming to be a sovereign, can you just
The
explain?
leader of the country, I would presume.
The leader of the country.
Yeah,
Is it not
the rightful leader?
a free man on the land sovereignty, claiming sovereignty? You don't know about that? You're not aware of this?
Well, we don't get involved in civil law, do we?
You do actually.
No, not really.
Legislations and acts are actually statutory law.
Statutory law and common law. Yeah.
No, it's not common.
Are you a
Statutory
lawyer?
law. No, I'm practicing.
I'm not going to get into.
No. But while we're here,
I'm not going to get involved.
I just want. Can I just ask one thing? No. One thing. Can I just say one thing, please?
I'll tell you what. I'm going to tell you one thing now, Sean. You are going to be reported for driving a vehicle to the DVLA. Whether they do anything or not, that's down.
Listen, I rebuttal them all the time.
That's fine.
They send penalty charge notices.
I just have to tell you.
Penalty charge notices all the time. They get rebutted. The bailiffs come here. We don't consent to anything they do.
I've just got to tell you that.
Yeah, no problem.
That's